Today, we're embarking on a journey through time and taste buds as we explore the captivating history of the one and only Pizza Margherita. But before we unravel the cheesy secrets of this classic pizza, let me throw a slice of curiosity your way. Have you ever wondered why Pizza Margherita is named after a queen? Now, let's transport ourselves back to the vibrant streets of Naples in the year 1889. Close your eyes and imagine the hustle and bustle, the sound of vendors hawking their goods, and the tantalizing scent of fresh pizza wafting through the air. It's here that our culinary tale truly begins. Picture Raffaele Esposito, a maestro of the pizza oven, with flour-dusted hands and a twinkle in his eye. Word had spread across Naples that Queen Margherita of Italy craved a patriotic pizza. Esposito, up for the challenge, set out to create a masterpiece that would not only tantalize the Queen's taste buds but also pay homage to the colors of the Italian flag. The big night arrived, and Esposito presented his creation to Queen Margherita. Behold, the Pizza Margherita, a culinary marvel featuring vibrant red tomatoes, creamy white mozzarella, and a sprinkle of fresh green basil. The Queen was enchanted, and thus, a pizza fit for royalty was born. But here's the twist in our tale. Queen Margherita wasn't the only one smitten. The locals fell head over heels for this regal pizza, and soon, Pizza Margherita became the talk of the town, earning its place in the hearts of pizza lovers for generations to come. Now that we've set the stage for Pizza Margherita's grand entrance onto the culinary scene, let's turn our attention to the star-studded cast that makes this pizza an absolute blockbuster. First up, the juicy, ripe tomatoes. Picture them as the leading lady, bringing that burst of acidity that keeps you coming back for more. And trust me, these tomatoes are like the A-list actors of the pizza world, always in the spotlight, stealing the show. But what's a leading lady without a dashing co-star? Enter fresh mozzarella, the heartthrob of our pizza tale. Creamy, dreamy, and oh so smooth, this cheese adds a layer of decadence that's almost cinematic. It's like the George Clooney of the pizza world, irresistible. Now, let's talk about the supporting role that steals scenes with every bite, the vibrant green basil. It's the unexpected plot twist that adds a touch of freshness and a hint of intrigue to our pizza narrative. Think of it as the Meryl Streep of the pizza world, versatile and always delivering an award-worthy performance. And here's where the magic happens. When these three ingredients come together on the pizza canvas, it's like witnessing a Hollywood ensemble cast delivering a performance of a lifetime. Each bite tells a story, a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. But wait, there's one more character waiting in the wings to make a cameo, the olive oil. A drizzle of liquid gold that adds a touch of luxury to our pizza production. It's the cameo appearance that elevates our pizza from great to legendary. Imagine the scene. Our pizza, fresh out of the oven, with its tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil in perfect harmony. But what's missing? The pièce de résistance, the secret ingredient that ties it all together, the olive oil. This isn't just any olive oil. It's the magic elixir that transforms our pizza into a masterpiece. Picture it as the film director, guiding the cast to their peak performance. A drizzle here, a swirl there. It's the final touch that adds a glossy finish and an irresistible allure. As the golden streams of olive oil cascade onto the pizza, it's like watching the climax of a blockbuster film. The audience, that's you, is on the edge of their seats, captivated by the sheer beauty of this oily affair. And let's not forget the flavor. The olive oil not only enhances the visual appeal but also brings a richness that ties the whole production together. It's the final scene that leaves a lasting impression, making you crave an encore. So, the next time you indulge in a slice of Pizza Margherita, remember, you're not just biting into a pizza. You're experiencing the culmination of a savory love story, where olive oil plays the role of the matchmaker, uniting flavors in a perfect, delicious harmony. What started as a culinary gift fit for a queen soon became a symbol of Italian pride, spreading its delicious influence far beyond the borders of Naples. Fast forward to the 20th century, and Pizza Margherita was making its mark on the world stage. From the charming pizzerias of Italy to the bustling streets of New York City, this classic pizza became a global sensation, winning the hearts and stomachs of people everywhere. What's fascinating is how Pizza Margherita adapted and evolved, taking on local flavors and nuances in every corner of the world. It's like a culinary ambassador, introducing the essence of Italian cuisine to diverse cultures. As the years rolled on, Pizza Margherita continued to reinvent itself while staying true to its roots. It became more than just a pizza. It became a symbol of shared moments, celebrations, and the joy of good food. So, why does Pizza Margherita endure the test of time? Perhaps it's the simplicity of its ingredients, the elegance of its presentation, or the nostalgia it evokes. Whatever the reason, this pizza has secured its place in the pantheon of culinary legends. In fact, you can find traces of Pizza Margherita's legacy even in museums and historical archives, showcasing its journey from a royal request to a cultural phenomenon. And there you have it, food and history lovers. The delectable history of Pizza Margherita, from royal beginnings to worldwide fame. If you enjoyed this cheesy adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep savoring the stories behind your favorite bites. Bon appétit!